Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I shall be making a Ikea desk using the LX drawers that we did a previous video on the assembly of those, and I'll be using a popular Karlby kitchen counter worktop to go on the top there. That's finished in the walnut. Now instead of just fixing that straight on top of these drawers, I've got the furniture risers, as I'm quite tall, around 6 foot, for ergonomics really, just so that I'm sitting up straight on the desk and not haunching forward. I decided to go for the furniture risers, and the ones I chose were the chrome finish, the adjustable ones, and they're about 100mm and they actually adjust out to 120. You can see that's threaded at the end there. So we're going to fit those, but not only for ergonomics, for aesthetics as well. I do think it looks better with those. And also we've got to gain this area for storage, bits and pieces, foam, papers, etc. I won't be drilling the worktop. I shall be fixing these directly onto the LX drawers, and they do supply matching screws, and luckily the screws are the correct depth without protruding into the door. You don't want to catch your hands on anything underneath there, the sharp edges, so just make sure your screws are the right size. I'll be drilling a pilot hole for these. Like I did say, I won't be fixing anything to the top. I feel that the top is heavy enough, sufficient. It's going to be fine. I don't think it's going to move at all. May fit a bracket to the wall just to secure it and stop any sagging at a later date. But I do think it'll be fine. You know, it does seem to get quite good reviews on YouTube. So let's get on with that. Okay, so I've marked faint pencil mark on there on the edges, and that is 25mm from the sides, enough to give me the clearance to miss side pieces. And I'll set these up on the line nice and square, and I'm going to drill some pilot holes first to take those screws. So we'll get the drill and move on to the next stage. Okay, so that's all fitted, quite solid. So what I'll do, I'll skip the rest on the video, I'll fit those, and then we'll move on to the next stage where we're fitting the desktop. Okay guys, so there we have it. Karlby top fitted, the walnut effects, that's seated on there nicely. There is no rocking, it's all rested on the feet well without any adjustment there. I'm really pleased with that. It's ergonomically, it's given me that height that I needed, so I'm not hunched over the desk when I fit a wall mounted monitor. Everything is at eye level. If you're spending a lot of time at these workstations, you just want everything right. Aesthetically, I'm really impressed with the chrome risers, and it's given me that storage area that I need for any papers, phones, hard drives, whatever you want to put in there. It looks really well, and it'd be sure to be really coming really handy. I've kept the top flush with the Alex drawers on the front and the side surface. Now you might be different, you may want to keep a little bit of overhang, that's entirely up to you, but that's solid. I may fit a bracket underneath there just to secure it to the wall with a cell tapper, something that you're not going to see. I'll also be fitting a wall mounted monitor at a later date, so I've got everything at eye level. But yeah, I'm really impressed with the Ikea products, and everything's gone together easily and quality's been really good. But most of all, I do hope that this video has been of help to you. If you're thinking of going for the desk or even just the furniture risers, I hope it's been of use. If it has, I would appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up as usual, and also consider subscribing. And as I always say on my videos, thank you for watching.